Isri. First I starting up the order to cash. Order to cash is these 4 stages is there: pre-sales, order to processing, and order fulfillment and billing. Pre pre-sales means is a inquiry, quotation, and contact. These are how to product of the purchases. These are the three require the point. First in the inquiry, that product is available not check. Otherwise, after that is on the sales order. After the next step is the delivery and the goods post goods issued and the shipment. Final stage in the billing and customer to pay. These are the stages. Order to cash. Inquiry means potential in the customer asked about of the product or services from the business. How much of the this is the product or the service cost. First of the inquiry, that product is available or not. This check in the inquiry. Quotation means is the price of the quantity giving to the customer. A quotation follow the inquiry of the steps. Quotation can be a creating of the and the inquiry to the without any inquiry and the reference numbers. It is sales order. Information about of on the sales order product is the price information, quality, shipment, billing. These are the sales order, including these of the points is on the one delivery. Delivery is sales order in the delivery with for getting given the product to the customer. It is the facilities activities such as packing, selecting, and the packing, the inquiry in the producting, arrangement, and the transport and shipment charges all are including of the delivery. Post goods issued. It means that when goods are moved has the part of on the process to the bridge to the product to the customer. In the PGI is need to this also moving from ownership to the producting from the moving to ownership from the move to this one. For example, in I have sale to the for example A and sale to the B2. This ownership A transfer to the B. Once goods is sold to the ownership transfer to the A to the B. Shipment is a bill or transfer the production to the customer. In shipment is a for examples, one goods is a transfer to some goods are transferred to the transport, and some goods to the shipment also is possible. It is including the shipment. Bill when the product or reached the customer, bills occurred. Usually a business wait from the customer reviewing the production for the before billing. Final one is the customer payment is another or receipt of the money. This happens when the customer will pay the from the product or services. Have explained this some entries in the here. Once the inquiry and account entry is no document is on the creation. Quotation also is no entry and no document is creation. Contact means first is contact the person. This also no entry for here. In sales order is on the pre-sample. That's why no entry in the accounting entry. No accounting document is created. Delivery also no entry and no documents created. This is a post goods issue PGIG. This is the entry is creating the year. That entry is cost of goods sold account data to inventory account. This in the this is the in an SAP the document accounting document in the creation and the year is the consider upon the movement type in the OBYC movement in the material. It should be dated to the auto generation of the material document in the material documents. Last one, the shipment also an entry is affecting in the here. It must be like flow of on the billing, invoice date, price versus the present price. These are no documents in the creation in the SAP. Last one, the billing. Billing means is a entry is posting in the here customer account data, sales account data to tax. In the tax means in the sales is affecting the output taxes in the here is entries. Customer account data, sales account data in any cost taxation is input about output tax accounting here. SAP is considered the maintain in the VKOA billing document in generation the accounting document. Here the accounting document in the generated customer payment. customer payment or payment in the received. Yes, once the amount is received from the customer, bank account data discount received, discount allowed account data to the customer. In this case, any discount is offered to the customer, discount allowed is affecting this here. In the SAP account receivable accounting document in the generating the exchange in the fluctuating lines, and the clearing the open items. Here this some entries in the here. Cost first, the cost of goods sold account data to inventory account. When deliveries happens, revenue account data to the customer account. Once revenue producted, we have assigned to the invoice along with upon the delivery, or maybe later also we can send the invoice to the customer. In this case, customer account data to the sales account, and once the goods is delivered to the customer, after that this entry is upon the affected. In a OTC, where is the OTC is affected? When the OTC effect is the OTC is the cash to bank, bank account data to customer account data. Coming to the SAP. Just a minute. Whenever we fill the finished goods to the customer has to pay to them. In this process, we post up on the sales invoice document, which is a part of on the goods and sold is a model into the FI model. In SAP is called the SAP FI SD integration. And the sales SAP sales and distribution model, it deals with upon the completing the sales management. This process the flow delivery, sales of sales order and delivery, post goods issue and billing. These the 4 step is affected in the FI and SD. Other than FI and CO is a model is also integrating of the material management. In this FI including affected of the in cost model also, costing also. Accounting entry is considered in the sales process, including the following. Sales order, we do not generating of the any accounting document. In instant of the we generating only of the logistic department. This means in the samples, in the pre-samples in the delivered to the customer, these are no entry affecting of the just like in the free samples. Sales order means the free samples. That's why no entry is affected. In delivery, delivery and cost of issues is of on the accounting entries. These affecting entries is affecting of the deliveries and cost goods issued. The cost of goods sold account data to finished goods. We transaction the transfer to the cost of goods sold to the where is affected in this cost of goods sold is affecting of the profit center and the profit analysis, profitability analysis. These accounting entries is flow the customer account data to the sales account, or customer account to the revenue or sales is the same. Some scenarios is of the same, somewhere sometimes used in upon the revenue. As per upon the SD model, the customer accounting will to the pick up upon the customer master data, which is in the maintaining from of the SD model. We also need to the configuration the revenue account and see there are any discount or surcharges in the accounting. A requirement for the SAP SD and integration. These are the integrations. Material master, customer master, pricing procedures and condition records, and GL account of sales and discount and commission is the affecting. These accounts are the creations where the material master in the SAP creation. In the SAP material master, there are 11 fields. This the accounting assignment in the group. We requiring for it the creating the GL determines we the future grouping the material which have the some accounting assignment. This we post the same GL account. See the here. This is the material, the descriptions and the sales organization and distribution channels also. This he's highlighting the accounting assessment group in the master is the finished group 03. This one is affected in here. Customer master. where also the relevant fields in the accounting assignment group it itself is one also is the one of the criteria for the GL account determination. Likewise, in the customer master, the customer who have to the same account assignment to the group, a group to the post to the same GL accounts. You see the same GL account. In here the sorry. In the above, even the master data is in the finished goods is account assignment group in the master data in 03. In the same is account assignment in the group in the customer account is 0. This is domestic account revenue. Procedure. Pricing procedures are used to the define the valid condition types for upon the pricing calculation and the sequence in which they should be upon the procedure. We can configure the pricing procedure with the T code is V08. The procedure these are upon the is a pricing description is in mention in the here is a accounting pricing here is on the mention is a irrelevant is fields are on the accounting keys. Accounting keys is also one of the critical for the GL accounts. To determination is based upon the accounting keys. We selecting upon the relevant GL accounts to of the posted. Condition types. For each condition types in the pricing procedure, the condition records are used to the specific factors like the customers materials. These are factors can be further. These are the condition records are stores the a price of on the various combination of the factors. The transaction code is on the VK 13. The organization description sales organization and distribution channel customers and validation date also is mentioned in the here. GL account creation, completing the configuration of the accounting determination of the GL account should be there in the GL accounts is a GL accounting type is in the pricing cost revenue is creating is accounting group FS00 is in the creation in the T code. Processing of the accounting determination of the SAP and MI integration is a applications and condition type is a chart of accounting code and sales organization is a customer accounting assignment group, material account assignment groups and accounting keys. In the SD integration transaction codes of the VKOA. These are of the applications types condition is above is mentioned here in the this one application types and condition second one in the chart of accounts and sales organization customer data and material types and accounting keys and GL accounts is an accounting determination keys concerning of the billing documents which display the accounting document is AB03 is a accounting documents in the here the entry here upon the sales in is a auto posting from of the billing account a sales and distribution model. We can also see the correction of the billing document using the menu tab in the environment. These are the document environment and organizational the document. You see here upon the FSing details saying upon the document details in the and here these are open items is display T code is the FBL5N open item is a standard accounting keys. These are the ERF is a freight revenue and ERL sales revenue and ERS sales distribution and ERB sales rebate. This on the mention in the some table of on the here this table the accounting inquiry is a T code in the VA11 and table is a VBAK is a no accounting entry is a no document in the creation scope the no with a pre samples is SD is a effective of on the in HD way. quotation VA21 table is VBAK is a no entry, is a no document, no accounting document generation, is a pre-samples in SD, not effect, no effect in upon the AFI, I mean FSA. Contract contact person is VA51, a table is VBAK, accounting entry is no accounting entry, is a no document is generated here, the pre-sample is a SD. Sales order VA01 is a table is VA no entry is here, no document in the affected, and the pre-sales and SD in effecting of the SD side. In delivery is means VL01N, and table is LI KP, and no entry in here, no document generation is the pre-sales is SD is SD side is affected. In a post goods issued PGI is a T code is VL01N, in the table is VIKP, is a entry is generated in the here cost of goods sold account that are to inventory account in the yes, this consider is movement in the OB YC is a movement type in material. You should be triggered out the auto generation of the material document in the generation in the accounting document is affecting of the fully so order fulfillment. So once completing the order is fulfillment is affecting upon the SD and FI. It is affected the FG side and FI side also. A shipment means T code is VT01N, and table is VTTK. Is entry is affected up then here is most likely will flow of the billing invoice details wise in the price shipment in transportation cost, and VI01 is a shipment cost also is a no document generation is a order is fulfilled. This one is FI and SD side also affected is a billing. Billing and T code is a VF01, and table is BK PF. Entry is customer account data, sales account data to tax account. You consider maintenance in the VKOA bill documentation generated here. Accounting document is generating in the here is a billing. It is generated this affecting of on the FI and SD side also. Last one is the customer payment. T codes is on the F-20 is FB50 FF-5. I don't know this one correct or not. Table is BK PF as a final entry is once amount is on the received is bank account data. Any discount is due to the customer, discount allowed account data to the customer account is accounting receivable account documentation. Consider upon the exchange the fluctuations. Any fluctuation is there, that is affects the price variance is there. Any fluctuation is there, is billing is FI side is, and then this one is and then affected. So the answer is fine.
Yeah, nice resolution. And the last column, and I mean in the last row, that is not a billing, that is a payment. And one more thing is
This one also.
F_5.
Yes, I have this doubt. This one
It's
is
a
correct.
patient related. That's not comes into the picture.
Okay.
And yeah, need to add.
Okay, it changes here.